In chocolate production, quality control is paramount. From sourcing raw cocoa to crafting the final product, Anton Paar instruments assist you at every stage, ensuring consistency, precision, and excellence. From cocoa collection to roasting, grinding, and conching, and from molding to packaging, every step must be executed flawlessly to achieve that signature texture and taste. Moisture control plays a vital role in preserving the quality of cocoa at every stage, starting from grain reception. The Brabender MTCA determines material moisture content so you can ensure optimal moisture levels in cocoa grains during roasting and as powder, preventing over-dried beans while avoiding excess moisture that compromises safety and quality. Use the multi-wave microwave digestion platform for sample preparation prior to elemental analysis of your cocoa product and maximize safety and quality. With its high-pressure digestion capabilities, it ensures complete dissolution for precise trace metal analysis, helping you meet regulatory standards and guarantee product safety. Determine the particle size distribution of your chocolate using the Light-Sizer DIF particle size analyzer to manage flavor release, texture, viscosity, and melting characteristics, thereby reducing costs and optimizing the unique mouthfeel of each chocolate, whether after grinding and cocoa liquor processing, during conching and tempering, or in cocoa powder production. Perfect composition, in particular fat content, with the Abimat digital refractometer to craft equally perfect taste. Whether fine-tuning recipes or ensuring batch-to-batch consistency, the Abimat digital refractometer delivers precision every step of the way, from cocoa bean receiving to cocoa liquor processing, and finally, the molded chocolate. Use the Rapid oxidation stability tester during cocoa liquor production, conching, and the tempering process to avoid negative effects on flavor and aroma due to oxidation, or to ensure a longer shelf life of the molded chocolate. Optimize your processes and make immediate adjustments via real-time monitoring with the L-Core Coriolis mass flow meter. This way, your filling process won't slow down production and affect output. Ensure precise dosing of fillings, flavorings, and coatings. Let's take a closer look at Anton Paar's rheolab QC rotational rheometer. It determines the yield point and viscosity of samples so that you're in full control of how your chocolate turns out. Chocolate makers aim to create a specific structure via the spatial arrangement of crystals. The desired structure is achieved through the natural ingredients of chocolate, as well as additives such as emulsifiers, and through the management of the production process itself. These quality factors are reflected in the rheological variables, yield point, and viscosity, which the rheolab QC rotational rheometer directly measures. The measurement results show that rheolab QC is highly suited to characterizing chocolate. Besides measuring the flow and viscosity curves, the yield point can also be calculated according to international standards. Regular measurements of the viscosity and the yield point value guarantee a constantly high chocolate quality. We know that's exactly what you want. So contact us today to talk to our experts and explore our chocolate perfecting solutions further.